What up, doe? What's up, guys? Today I'm going to freehand sharpen. So I am using ceramic water stones. So the first thing I'm doing here is putting some witness lines on my stones. So I'm using a DMT diamond stone. Once all your pencil lines are gone, your stone is flat. So I'm going to be sharpening everything from 1.5 inches down to 2 millimeters or 3 millimeters, something like that. So you want to keep your stone nice and wet. The secret to sharpening without a jig is consistency. So really you want to find your little sweet spot. Find the bevel and then go up a little bit. And just keep that up a little bit as constant as you can. And as soon as you feel a little burr behind your blade, then you know it's time to move on to the next stone. So when I sharpen, I use a micro bevel. This is what I'm describing when I say up a little bit. And just in case you don't know what a micro bevel is, it's a secondary bevel. So I get my initial grind, a hollow grind, off a bench grinder. And then I put a secondary smaller bevel at the tip. So just like you guys, I'm sure you've tried different ways of sharpening. I've used the sandpaper, I've used sharpening jigs. At the end of the day, this is what works for me. The stones I have are 1,000, 4,000, and 8,000. Once you work your way up to the 8,000 stone, it's time to flatten the back. Flattening the back will take the burr off, and then my little test is I test it on my fingernail. If it digs into my fingernail, I know it's sharp. If you really want to have an exceptional sharp chisel, the key is really flattening your back. When you get a brand new chisel or old chisels, whatever it is, take the time to make the back of your chisel mirror polish. Then you know when you put it down, you're going to have true registration. Lastly, dry everything off and then protect your chisel tips. A1A. Protect your chisel tips. Thanks for watching. Later.